Welcome to our Digital Literacy Certification video. This government-recognized program is your gateway to essential IT skills for government jobs and promotions. Choose from the beginner ACC, basic BCC, or the most popular CCC certification, along with the advanced CCC Plus course. We offer a NIELIT authorized curriculum, an instructor-led LMS portal, and 100% placement support. Admissions are open now. Compare our digital literacy courses to find the right fit for your career. The core CCC course requires no minimum eligibility and is high demand for government jobs. While ACC and BCC offer lower durations, the CCC course offers a comprehensive 80 to 90 hours of training. For job seekers and employees, the CCC certification is the ideal choice for its broad applicability and exam focus. The CCC course offers several strategic benefits. It's mandatory for many government jobs, has nationwide recognition, provides faster certification, and boosts your career prospects in both public and private sectors. With a projected 25% CAGR growth in digital education and over 10,000 job listings, market demand is high. Our bit advantage includes an advanced LMS portal, exam-focused prep, complete support, and expert, bilingual instructors. The CCC detailed syllabus follows the complete 8-module framework as per NIELIT guidelines, featuring 80 hours of total duration. Modules cover core concepts like Introduction to Computers and 𝐂𝐸 operating systems. You'll master essential applications such as word processing and spreadsheets. Additional modules cover computer communication and internet, web browsing and online forms, communication and collaboration, and presentations. The course includes 50 hours of hands-on lab training and is updated per NIELIT 2026 guidelines. The learning outcomes for the CCC course are focused on making you job-ready. You will confidently operate computers, create professional documents and presentations, manage data, and navigate the internet safely. You'll master tools like Windows 11, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, web browsers, and email clients. The curriculum also includes digital payments and cybersecurity. The goal is to pass the NIELIT CCC exam with a high grade. The ACC is an entry-level digital literacy program for absolute beginners, featuring a beginner-friendly 20-hour duration. The syllabus includes Introduction to Computer, Operating Computer, Word Processing, Internet Basics, and Digital and Financial Literacy. Hands-on projects cover creating documents, emails, digital payment checklists, and downloading forms. Tools mastered include Windows 10 Basics, File Explorer, and basic MS Word and Paint. ACC prepares learners for BCC or CCC certification. The BCC is a practical computer skills course for everyday office work, providing 36 hours of training. Modules cover computer fundamentals, 𝐂𝐸 operating system, word processing, spreadsheet, internet, and presentation. You'll complete hands-on projects like creating office documents, expense trackers, presentations, and formal emails. BCC training includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Chrome, Gmail, and Typing Tutor. It is the ideal bridge course to CCC for government job eligibility. The CCC Plus course is an advanced level course of 120 hours, focusing on advanced computer literacy for office automation and productivity. Key modules include Advanced Fundamentals, Advanced Word, Advanced Excel, Advanced PowerPoint, and Cybersecurity and eGov. Projects cover MIS dashboards, mail merge campaigns, corporate decks, and e-form workflows with digital signatures. This course is a strong stepping stone toward NIELIT O-level certification. The program emphasizes hands-on skills with 6 key projects to build a professional portfolio. These include a resume and letter pack, expense and inventory tracker, and a business pitch deck. Other vital projects are the eGov form workflow, professional email challenge, and digital payment simulation. These projects assess essential skills like advanced formatting, formula use, visual design, e-sign, email etiquette, and transaction safety. The BIT Advantage ensures a 95% success rate through a comprehensive system. Our LMS portal offers 24/7 access to structured video modules and real-time progress tracking. Instructor-led training features small, bilingual classes with live practical demos and weekly doubt clinics. We also offer multiple flexible training modes, including online live, offline lab, and a hybrid model, along with full exam and admin support. The learning pathway guides you from a beginner to a certified professional, with the career goal of securing government and corporate jobs. The steps include counseling, training, projects, mock tests, certification, career services, and interviews. The courses progress from ACC 20 hours to BCC 36 hours, CCC 80 to 90 hours, and CCC Plus approximately 120 hours, leading to the OA level, 1 year plus. BIT job-ready add-ons include typing speed, ADAV, Excel, Tally Intro, Workplace English, and interview skills. NIELIT certification opens doors to various job roles, including data entry operator, computer operator, office assistant, and junior clerk. The average entry-level salary is between 12,000 rupees and 25,000 rupees per month. Job opportunities are available in government departments, schools and colleges, hospitals and clinics, and MSMEs and retail, covering administrative, clerical, and back-office operations. Our structured placement pathway from learning to earning includes counseling, training, projects, mock tests, certification, career services, and interviews. BIT's placement support facilities include a resume and LinkedIn clinic, mock interviews, job alerts via the LMS portal, and referral to partner employers. Our commitment provides proactive application support with outcomes based on learner performance and market vacancies. The market demand for NIELIT certification is high, driven by the digital ed boom and the Digital India Initiative. Thousands of government job notifications explicitly require CCC Plus certification. Certification value is high due to national recognition, digital verification via QR code, monthly exam cycles for fast-track career progression, and lifetime validity without renewal requirements. We are proud of our success stories. 𝐂𝐞𝐫𝐭𝐢𝐟𝐢𝐞𝐝, an arts graduate, cleared the CCC in his first attempt and joined a job in 6 weeks. Rajvi Shah secured a promotion after the course was made mandatory by her department. Kartik Pal started his own CSC business for financial independence, helping people with digital forms. Individual outcomes may vary, but these highlight the potential for real career transitions. When comparing platforms, BIT Baroda, a full-service institute, is the top choice for job-focused and guaranteed preparation. We offer comprehensive NIELIT syllabus coverage, live mentorship, LMS and mock tests, practical labs, and full exam support, unlike YouTube or local centers. Online mocks are generally for upskilling, but BIT provides the complete package for professional certification and placement support. Enroll now in our simple 5-step admission process. First, contact us to book your counseling slot. Second, visit our website for the latest schedules. Third, choose your mode of training. Fourth, complete admission by submitting documents and paying fees, with EMI options available. Finally, start learning with instant access to the BIT LMS portal.